Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on how to make money online. If you are a returning subscriber to my channel, please do well to comment and share this video. And if you are new to my channel, feel free to watch other videos on my playlist on how to make cool money online, and do well to subscribe to my channel to get notification while you click on the notification bell to get cool updates on surveys and different ways to make money online. On my YouTube channel, you'll find in the description box a WhatsApp link to my WhatsApp group, where I tend to also teach people for free how to make money online. You find this link to these survey sites on the description box in this video. You can also find it in the comment section of this video. Alright, so let's jump into this update. So the name of this site is called Qmee. In Qmee, you earn while you answer simple surveys. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the processes of signing up with Qmee and making some moves on how to cash out. So on Qmee, there is no limit to withdrawal. Qmee does not tell you that you need to reach $5 before you can cash out your money. After a survey, you can just go down and into the withdrawal section, and then you can cash out your money, be it $1, $2, $3. Okay, so if you have paper, you can actually cash out from Qmee into your paper account. And if you are not in the United States or in the United Kingdom, you can as well use a proxy or a VPN, paid VPN, to sign up with Qmee. Okay, so now we are going to click on sign up button here, and as we've been asked to create an account, I'm going to create an account here, putting my email and then a password. Okay, so and then let's continue. Okay, then click on sign me up. Okay, so here is the dashboard for Qmee. So in this spot here, I can click here by and start my survey. Okay, there are a lot of survey that I need to unlock on this Qmee. But notwithstanding, let's click on the profile. So let's see about a referral program for Qmee. So currently, referral program is not available on Qmee. Alright, so let's see how it works. Alright, so these are the guidelines to be successful, like to have good rating while you do your surveys on Qmee. Now, number one is that you need to avoid speeding, and then number two, you need to pay attention to survey questions. Number three, you need to be honest, and then number four, you need to answer questions clearly and coherently. Number five here, don't use offensive language, and forget about the VPN stuff. If you do not have a proxy, I bet VPN may also have issue. That is number six. Do not use a VPN, but I recommend you to use a proxy rather than a VPN. If you do not know how to get a proxy, you can as well click on the WhatsApp link, and then we can talk about it on the WhatsApp group, and probably give you a link to where you can buy a proxy. Now, number seven, you need to keep your profile up to date. You need to be consistent in your profiling. Do not always change your profile. Your demographic should be the same. Now, you need to have only one account with Qmee. Number nine, only use within allowed countries. Okay, so if we are to check countries that Qmee works with, you can find out that they do not work with certain countries, like some African countries. They do not work with them. So let's continue. Number 10, you need to avoid using shared Wi-Fi. Take surveys within sociable hours. Turn off ad blockers and keep your browser updated. That's how to be successful on this Qmee. Now, currently my balance is 0. I have not done any work on Qmee. So this is a new account. I can as well come to this place and then link my PayPal account. So if you don't know how to create a PayPal account, you can also message me on WhatsApp. I will teach you for free how to make your own verified PayPal account. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in any African country, you can as well, especially Nigerians, you can as well get your PayPal account for free. All right, so this is it about the cash out means. So you can as well link your PayPal account here, and let's check on the balance. Aside the PayPal, you can also cash out with Venmo. You can also cash out with a gift card of your choice, or as well you can donate to charity. Okay, so that is it about Qmee. So let's check my survey profile. Alright, so currently you've not signed up yet. Now, because I've not done a survey, so my survey profile is not set for now. Let's proceed. If I click on start a survey, I'm going to give in my profile. Now this profile will help Qmee to be able to understand the kind of person I am, and it give me the surveys that suits my profile. Okay. So once you understand the basis, the pros and cons on this Qmee, you can click on survey and then start a survey. So I'm just going to use simple date of birth. The day should be, let's say, 12, and then the year 19, let's say 1990. Okay, yes, I'm 35 years old, and then I'm a male, I'm married. How much income do you earn before taxes? And before taxes, I earn 200 plus. Alright, so the next question is about education. I've finished at so I'm okay. So that question I chose postgraduate. Now I'm employed. Alright, so now improve your reward. Allow us to ask you questions based on your race, ethnicity, health, political views, and religion. Now these questions will help Qmee to improve our rewards. Remember, do not rush on surveys. Now I can actually click on no thanks, but match me to more surveys. Let's give an attempt to that. Employment contract. I am currently employed full time. Postal address. I can actually give let's say this is my zip code. Let's continue. If you are white, you can accept that you're white. If you are black or African American, you can as well take that one. So I'm just going to go with this. Your job title, I'm going with a manager. Now, approximately how many employees work at your organization? Currently, there are 501 to 1,000 employees. Which company do I work? Now, My industry is information technology. My company revenue should be 5 million to 9.99. The department where I work in my industry, for me, I love to go with the development software. You can as well go with the hardware. Alright, so I am a homeowner, and for children I have two. Let's go with this. The first one, this is a male, and then you can add a second child as well. Now I have a smartphone for both business and for personal use, and then let's finish the survey. And now, because of this profile is much more unique, I'm going to get a lot of surveys to match my profile. Alright, so guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and then if you are a returning subscriber, do well to share this video, like, comment on this video. You can see I have a lot of surveys here. $1 for 15 minutes, $1, 1.44, and I also have a lot of cool surveys. This will be the end of this video, and check in the description box to get the link to this survey site. Jump on the survey site, get a good demographic, a good profile, and I promise you'll be good to go and get your paper. If you do not have a paper address or a paper account, you can as well chat me up on the group, and I will teach you how to get a paper account, a verified paper account for free, and you're actually going to withdraw your money and get your earnings. See you guys in the next video, and do well to share this video.